Good morning, guys. Today is September 24 and mag-grocery kami ng mga bata. Tapos today may kasama ko isang bata na si Sophie. Anak siya ng best friend ni Jan or friend ni Jan, friend namin. So yeah, it will be challenging today kasi hindi ko pa siya nakasama before mag-grocery. So we'll see kung anong mangyayari. Andun na sila sa car. Saan yung mga bags? Kunin ko lang yung mga eco bags. Okay, Sophie. Ayan siya. Ilagay ko muna yung seatbelt. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how to put your seatbelt?
Why?
Okay, I'll help you.
This what tries say.
No, that's yours.
Say?
Okay, wait. Ilagay ko muna yung seatbelt niya. Hindi pa kasi siya marunong. Kasi si Zach at si TJ, they know how to put their seatbelt na eh. So, sandali lang. Ilagay ko muna yung seatbelt niya. And then, we're going. Andun sila. Say hi!
Hi.
So, ito, palis na kami ng bahay. Medyo tanghali na. 11:42 na. Kasi, naglinis pa kasi ako ng bahay. Kasi ayoko umalis na madumi yung bahay. Kasi pag madumi ang bahay, feeling ko, tinatamad ako. Yun lang. So, yeah. Are you gonna behave? Sophie and Zach? Yes. Good. Good. You have to because I don't know what to do if you're not gonna behave. You have to listen to me, okay? Thank you.
Why is there some flowers on there?
Oh, that's for Holly.
Oh. I just say I'm new house.
Yeah, you got a new house.
Yeah, that was at home.
Yes.
I'll see Willie.
You can't see.
Doing that window.
What window?
Yeah.
It's alright.
I never see windows. Is that a window? Door? Yeah.
It is a window.
That's when you tall but dark.
Music na nga tayo.
Mom,
Yes?
you don't press. You have no. You only have 2 doors.
Only 2 doors?
Yes.
We have 4 doors. Ganito si Zach. Ano
Only
siya?
one on the back.
Matanong, madaldal.
Then one
Di ba
there.
sinabi ko sa isang vlog na hindi namin pinapayagan yung mga bata na maglaro ng iPad during our travel?
China?
Yes. Kasi ayaw namin silang nakayuko lagi. Gusto namin sila.
I do.
A what?
Just say.
What? What did you say?
That's
Pencil?
there.
What about pencil?
Pencil.
Oh, the mini one.
Yeah, that's Holly.
Yeah, that's Holly, Sophie. So, yun, di ba sabi ko, hindi namin sila pinapayagan na maglaro ng iPad or any gadgets during our travel kasi ayaw namin sila lagi na kayo. Gusto namin nakikita nila kung saan kayo pumupunta para next time pagpunta namin, alam nila kung saan Kuya, so what are you doing to her?
You don't like me, Holly.
She likes you, but just don't annoy her. Just give that toy. Zach, see, you're not behave now. Listen to mommy. Stop annoying her.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast.
It's a call, so let's see what's gonna happen with my new friend, Sophie. Wait for me. Okay, Zach,
We can get out first.
you have to stay there. Don't go anywhere, okay? Stay there. You wait for mommy. Okay, stay there and wait for me, okay? Just stay there.
We
Yeah, but wait for me. Sando na yung dalawa. Si Holly naman ang kukunin ko. Come on, Holly. Come on, where's your shoes? Get free. Careful. Okay, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How about banana? Maybe, wait.
Touch it. Not Denny. Not Denny. That tickle.
That's too many. That's a big one.
I like big. I want a lot.
Okay. Good boy.
Oh, that's helping.
Okay.
We're having it open.
Come here, Sol. Come here. Yes, Holly.
I want.
No.
Contact services, please. Line contact services.
Yeah, where Holly? Where are we gonna get fruit, Holly? Zach, get a bag. Get a plastic bag for mommy. Where? Do you want fruits, Sophie? No, thank you. Yeah, I know. Wait, baby. Hinihintay niya na yung fruits niya. Alam niya na to eh. Pag nag-grocery kami, tinuturo niya na tong anong to, etong areang to. Sophie, don't touch. No touching. Come here. See? And can I have 2 for now? Yes, thank you. Zach, give it to me.
No, sorry, it never came in. That's
Oh,
tomorrow. Yes, we never
there's
got our luggage
no
today.
smiley
Oh
freeze.
no.
Oh, Holly, no.
Sorry about that. Tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. Wala raw sila. Wala raw kuya tomorrow. Oh, that's sad, Holly. There's no fruits, Holly. Why don't you get the green one up? Just 5. Just 5. Is it? Are you checking it first? That's enough. How many? How many you have?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a lot, but okay. Put it here now. You're gonna make apple crumble? Do you want apple crumble? And ice cream?
What I told the other one?
What's that
Ice
one?
cream.
You want ice cream? Okay. What is it?
I like these ones.
Anyway.
All chocolate didn't hurt me. It's for Halloween. Hello, baby.
so far, nag-behave naman yung dalawa. So, yeah. Yes, what's that?
Look.
Okay.
Look. These ones.
I know you
Did
do.
you buy this at Toll? Look.
Yes. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, come on.
I'm just like kind of
Show me. Show me, Sophie. Show me.
This is a wish at. Yeah.
That's funny. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Good girl. Good boy.
This is on. Mom, this way you put lollies in.
Yeah, that's right.
This way
Okay,
you
let's
put
go.
Lollies in.
I know.
Try this one.
Okay, we have to keep going.
Try this one.
Kids, come on.
Try this one.
Okay, let's go. That's it. What's that, Zach? Do you want that one? Are you sure you're gonna eat, not just the cheese? If I get that one, you have the biscuit as well, not just the cheese. Okay? Okay? Okay, Zach?
Wow, I'm gonna these.
No lollies. Come on, let's
I
go.
get these. Hello, Lolly Mom. Thanks.
Oh, which one is Sophie? You want? Okay, you have to share, okay? You have to share. What you gonna say? Thank you. Okay, come on, we have to get Daddy's drink. Okay, put it there.
Oh, wow.
I know you're strong. Okay. Is that the one that got?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, Joel.
Oh, yeah. This one is the same one. Banana. Mom, can you make minion cake?
Maybe not. I'm gonna make banana bread, Baba.
I like this.
No. Next time, next time. Not tomorrow, next time. I just got your pancake. No, I don't need sugar today. We still
Do
have
you
sugar.
have a lot?
Yes, I do have a lot. Get cereal.
Halloween one, Mom.
Pardon?
I like the Halloween one.
Okay, get one. How about Coco Pop? Kuya wants Coco Pop. Pardon me? You can. What are you doing, Zach? Oh, you want cornflakes? Okay. Put in the trolley. No, we got too much. Next week. Next week. I think
This toe. What's that?
Tiny Pop. Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Keep going, keep going. Tanghali na. Your yogurt, Zach?
This is my yogurt I have all day.
You don't like the fruity one?
Yes. I like the minion one. This is the main.
Okay.
Oh.
And we have to get chips. Here, Zach.
Here?
Yeah, wait, mommy. Wait, not that one. Here. Ako na. It's high. Zach, no. Oh, yeah, that one.
Oh, this took toe.
Oh. Milk? Yes. I think we still have milk. We still have milk. What we need is orange juice. Paper, please. Ayun na siya. Ito na yung last namin dito sa Coles. Kukuha ng toilet paper tapos magbabayad na kami. Come on, hurry up. Say
that's
hi,
a lot.
Holly. Yeah, well, let's go. We're gonna pay now.
Pew, pew.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
So far, okay silang kasama. Sobrang- Yeah, that's for dog. Para lang sila naglalarong dalawa. Okay, come on, Zach. Hurry up. Holly. We're gonna pay now, Holly.
Yeah. I can help, Bob.
Ganyan ang ginagawa nila. Pero, in fairness, nakikinig silang dalawa sa... Bumalik kami kasi kukuha ko ng chicken para sa dinner namin. Ha? Not that one, Baba. I'll choose the... Careful, Sag, because it's hot. Tsaka, potato salad. We're gonna get potato salad. Yeah, later, love. Yeah. I know. Wait, Baba. Bumalik kami. Nakabayad na ako ng grocery ko. Kaso, ito yung dinner namin mamaya. So, kailangan kumuha ng chicken tsaka potato salad. Tsaka coleslaw. Yeah? No donuts, lalab. Stay there first. Ang bigat nito. Wait, okay. Wait for me. Yeah, I'm just gonna hop in the car. Wait. Zachary. Zachary, here. Yeah, it's open now. Careful. Let's go. Well done, Holly. You're such a good shopper, Holly. Make easier for mommy to shop na hindi ka umiiyak. Ayan. Oops, where's your shoes? Where's the shoes? Here's your shoes. So, palis na kami ng coat.